Why automate email sorting in Apple Mail?
Keeping your inbox organized can be a challenge. With so many messages coming in each day, important emails can get lost in the clutter. By automating email sorting with rules in Apple Mail, you can have your messages automatically filed, flagged, or deleted, saving time and keeping your inbox tidy with minimal effort.
What are Apple Mail rules?
Apple Mail rules are automated actions that sort, move, or process your emails based on specific conditions you define. Whether you want newsletters sent to a separate folder or work emails tagged for quick access, rules help streamline incoming messages so you focus on what matters most.
How to create a rule in Apple Mail.
Start by opening Apple Mail and going to the Mail menu. Select Preferences, then click on the Rules tab. Click Add Rule. Give your rule a name, set the conditions, like sender, subject, or recipient, and choose the actions, such as moving to a folder, marking as read, or forwarding. Click OK to activate your rule.
Tips for effective email rules.
Keep your rules specific. Use clear conditions like exact addresses or unique keywords to avoid missing important emails or accidentally filtering wanted messages. Regularly review your rules to ensure they're still relevant and adjust as your needs change. Combining multiple conditions can make sorting more powerful and accurate.
Take control of your inbox.
With Apple Mail rules, you can transform your email experience. Automating the organization process helps you respond faster, find messages more easily, and reduce stress. Spend a few minutes setting up your first rule and enjoy a cleaner, more efficient inbox every day.